So I have thought of another way to do this question. So there's clearly more than one way to do it, and the other way I was thinking was more, again, like I said, towards the higher level, but there is an easier way. When I say easier, it's more like a Nat 5 way to think about this. Either method is fine. However, I'll show you the other way. So it was on this question here. We want to find the maximum profit of the company. So the concept still exists that I want the turning point. So I want that point there. So my turning point. But we also know the turning point is directly in the middle of our intercepts, right? We know this is symmetrical. So one of my intercepts is 0, and the other one is already factorized. So when we do this, we can say 4x equals 0. So my first intercept is 0. Then we take the second bracket, 140 minus x equals 0. And we solve, and we can get 140 equals x. So right here, that has an intercept of 140. So what we need to do is find the middle, and to find the middle of any two numbers is we add them. So middle is we add them. This one's nice and easy because it's 0, and then we divide by 2, so that's 70. So the middle value here is 70. So what that tells me is that my turning point is 70 something. And that something is obviously going to be the maximum height, which will then be the maximum profit. So to get that, all I have to do is take my equation, my y equals 4x bracket 140 minus x, and I'm going to substitute in and replace x to find y, because my y is going to give me my maximum value. So I'm going to replace the x with, what does x was? X was 70. So the x part of the coordinates. And then when I work this out, I'm going to go 4 times 70, so 280 times 70. And then when I get that, space, right? So I work that out. My y value is 19,600, which was my maximum value. So this turning point up here is 70, 19600, and there that tells me my maximum value, my maximum profit. So my max profit would be 19,600. Another way, and probably much easier way to think about this question